Hello mga Marikoy at Parikoy! Welcome to Sonia's channel. Today's video, I am cooking my favorite food, tinolang baka or beef soup. It's already boiling, guys. Looks delicious. Looks yummy and delicious. The secret for this tinolang baka, put a lot of fresh garlic, fresh onion, ground pepper, salt, chicken powder to taste. And I also put some corn, guys, and potatoes. Yes, guys, this is real yummy, delicious. Tinolang baka. The corn adds to the flavor because the corn is sweet, and also the potatoes. Potato and corn, it will add flavor to the tinolang baka. It's up to you guys what vegetables you're going to put in tinolang baka. You can put also the pechay or the bok choy or any leafy vegetables that you want, like cabbage. Yeah, and you can sprinkle also some herbs like the thyme or oregano. There are so many to put things, guys, but I ran out of these spices, so I just put only the onions, the garlic. And also, I forgot something. I forgot something, guys. I need to put also this chopped fresh pepper, bell pepper, green bell pepper that is available in the fridge. We can just put it like that, guys, to add flavor to the tinolang baka or sinigang. You can tinolang baka, sinigang. It's all the same. And if you want a little bit to make it sour, deliciously sour, you can put vinegar or lemon juice as well. And that's it. We just cook this bell pepper a little bit because the bell pepper add flavor to the tinola. Simple cooking, guys, but it's delicious. There we go. Our tinolang baka or our sinigang is so colorful with the bell pepper, with the corn, and the potato. Alright, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Sonia's channel, and you can click the notification bell so you will be updated with my upcoming videos. See you again next time. Bye.